guys, welcome back. I'm Erica Bell if you're new here. Today we're going to talk about some unique items that you should take to the beach this season. If you are new here and you haven't already, please think about subscribing if you like organizing videos, travel videos, life stuff. You don't want to miss a thing. All right, let's get to it. So it is getting to be that time of year. If you have kids, they're getting out of school. Summer feels like it's just around the corner. Most of us are ready for, maybe some warmer temperatures, some vacations, some trips. So if you are headed to the beach this summer, this season, I've got some unique items for y'all. So obviously you need sunglasses at the beach. That is like, besides sunscreen, one of my number one things. But if you've ever spent time like on the beach or just like anywhere on the water and you've dropped your sunglasses in the water, you've lost them, like, you know that feeling of despair when that happens and how quickly it happens, right? Like they fall off and you're like, all of a sudden they are nowhere to be found. It's awful. So this is a brand that I found, and their sunglasses are floatable? Is that the right word? That doesn't sound right. Anyways, their sunglasses float, y'all. So if they fall off your face, you can easily find them in the water. They have like straps for your sunglasses. So if they fell off, obviously it would catch it around your neck. Or, if you just want to take them off without having to put them down, you just wear them around your neck, which are great, but some people don't like the look of those, or they're uncomfortable by your ear. I've also seen some things that you clip onto sunglasses that float, but the ones I've found are bulky. You can like clearly see them when you're wearing them. Anyways, I just thought these sunglasses were great. They're polarized, and like I said, they float. So it's really awesome, and they come in tons of neat styles for men and women. So make sure to check them out. All of this stuff, of course, is linked below. All right, so of course, like shoes, as I throw them, shoes are unique, but these ones I love. So they are this like kind of plastic material, waterproof. If they get anything on them, you just wipe them off. Like, they are incredible for the beach, for anything, anywhere near the water. Again, with like sand or like mud, it would just come right off. I'm linking to a bunch of them. These I actually got at Walmart because in my head I was thinking, okay, I'm gonna buy these, and then because I'm not sure if I like them, and then if I do, I'll splurge on like the Birkenstock ones. And I've had these for years and I like haven't looked back. So I'll link to a bunch of different ones and you can find the ones you like. Okay, if you get hot like I do, and now I'm prone to sweat, and of course that helps cool you off, all that, but it doesn't matter actually, regardless if you sweat or not. When it is that hot outside, like, you have to have something to cool you off. If you're not getting in the water, I'll be honest, I'm not a huge like ocean beach person. I don't love getting in that kind of water. I'm scared of all the stuff in there. I don't know what it is. Anyways, so you have to have something that's gonna like cool you off when it's like 100 degrees outside. So these towels, it looks like this is not one of them. I cannot find mine, so I'm gonna have to order another one. But the towels that I'm showing you right now, they help cool you off like instantly. It is incredible. You just get them wet, you wring them out, and you put them around your neck, put them wherever you want to get cool, and it is incredible, and they last a while. You can get them in different sizes. I've used them just even when I'm like outside walking in the summer, just outside playing. They are great, not even just for the beach, but especially for the beach. You can keep it like in your cooler if you take one to the beach, and then it'll be even colder, but they are amazing just to cool you off and make you feel so nice at the beach. Okay, of course, we all need a beach towel. Well, I love this beach towel. It's great, it's cozy. It is bulky. It is not the best thing to pack, especially if I was going out of town. It's one thing just to go down the street to the pool, but if I'm like packing, you guys know I like to try to be intentional about my packing. It's bulky. I'm not gonna wanna bring this. So I am linking to a towel that I just love. It is so awesome. So it is, not only is it really absorbent. It also kind of, what's the word I'm looking for? Not deflects. Oh my gosh. It's sand resistant, okay? So it doesn't hold on to a bunch of sand, which is like crucial at the beach. I hate sand, hate it. Also, you can pick different sizes. It doubles as, you could wear it as a scarf. You could wear it, you could just display it because they're so pretty. Anyways, there's just, I've seen people use them as blankets because they're just so soft. Anyways, it's like a Turkish cotton towel. This was a company that was on Shark Tank that got a deal, and part of every sale goes to help marine life. It's just a super cool company, a perfect towel for traveling, for the beach. I love it. It's great. And I am ordering one as we speak. Okay. A foldable hat is another essential, a packable hat. Okay, so I love this beach hat, but you can see I've tried to pack it and like there's creases in it. It just gets beat up, right? When I try to pack it. So this hat, this visor, you can fold it. Unlike this one, the one I'm showing you guys, you can fold it, pack it. It doesn't crease. It is perfect for traveling. It keeps the sun out of your face, off your, shoulders, all of that. It's just great. It's great. Also, if you are not packing it, but say you want to put something on your beach bag, this is a clip that you can hold your your hat to your beach bag, and it's just handy right there. So if say you don't like the look of a visor, or you don't like that one that I'm linking to, and you want to just travel with your old standby hat, something like this is perfect. A clip that attaches to your beach bag and just can carry it. If it gets windy and you take your hat off, it's easy just to set right there, or if you're just coming to and from somewhere, easy to carry alongside. Okay, I found something that is so neat. Y'all know I have to travel with my reusable water bottle, so of course I'm gonna talk about that. I found a reusable water bottle. It's very similar to this bottle. It's a stainless steel, but the bottom opens up. So mine does not do it. I'm showing you guys the link to one, but it would basically open up on this bottom part, and you can keep your valuables in it. So money, keys, if you take off some of your jewelry when you go, in the water on the beach, it's awesome. And it doesn't look like, it's different than just like leaving your purse right there. It's very discreet, and it's really awesome. And of course it keeps all this stuff dry. So if you have cash, it's keeping it dry, but the top part still functions as a water bottle. So you still have your water, which of course you need, but the bottom, you can put your valuables, but it's very discreet. No one would notice, like that's what it's for. Okay, of course, we've got to have our sunscreen, but this is so cool, y'all. It's like an applicator. It's got a sponge applicator. You can put any kind of sunscreen in it. Comes in a pack. I think you can buy one, or the kind that I have is you buy a pack of 3, or the kind that I'm ordering, pack of 3, and you fill it with the sunscreen of your choice, and then it's an applicator for it. So it's got a sponge. It makes it ideal for children. They can apply their own sunscreen. So instead of globbing it on and you're rubbing it like this, it evenly distributes it. They can do it themselves. It blends in really nicely. It's just really, really a cool product. And if you get that pack of 3, say you wear different kinds of sunscreen, some of the sunscreen that I put on the kids, my husband doesn't like for himself, so he can have his own, the kids can have their own. Or if you have a different one for your face than you do your body, same type of thing. Super, super cool, you guys. Okay, a couple other things. So you guys are gonna laugh at this. I'm laughing at it because it's just silly, but I have always wanted a metal detector. I don't know why I haven't bought myself one. Maybe this is the year, but they are so fun while you're on the beach. Maybe I just like the idea of like hunting for treasures, or I don't know, just finding something. But listen, every time I've seen someone with a metal detector on the beach, like they're always finding something cool. Usually it's like jewelry, so that's great too. Anyways, Check these metal detectors out. So fun. Fun for your whole family. Like, I just think my kids would just have a blast with that. Like, my daughter would think that was so stinking cool. Okay. And now for back to more kind of practical but unique stuff. A table. When you are at the beach, you may be like sitting on the ground or whatever, sitting on your beach towel that I recommended. But having a table is so nice. Somewhere to put drinks, somewhere to put snacks, somewhere to put if you have a book or your phone. Anyways, I love this one that I'm linking. It's got cup holders. It's got a little storage compartment or storage. It's got 2 layers. So the bottom can kind of be like storage for extra stuff. And it's foldable. A lot of these items too, like this table, is like perfect for camping as well. So you don't feel like you're like getting something that's so specific to like the beach and sand. Like you'll use it again. Or if like we like to do picnics, something like that is perfect for a picnic any time of year. And last but not least, a chair. Okay, you may love sitting on the sand. That's totally cool, but a lot of us do not. So you want a chair, and the biggest thing to me when you're buying a chair is like one that you can not only lay flat on your back, but lay down, face down as well, so that you know, get that even tan. This chair it's pretty funny, but it's super unique and it's very practical. So it's got a hole for your face and a hole for your arms, and so it's very ergonomically correct, or what's the right word I'm looking for? I think that's it. Anyways, so for posture purposes, like you're comfy. If you are reading, you know, a book on your phone, you would be able to do that because you can see through it. You'd be able to have something right below you. And I just like that you can go like face down, like that there's an opening. Like imagine like a massage chair or table, but you know, with that opening. Super cool, super unique. I love it. All of these items I think are so great, and they will add so much value to your trip to the beach. Let me know, what are some of your favorite unique beach items to take with you? Are you going on a beach trip soon? Let me know where. And make sure to stay tuned each week for new videos. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to y'all soon.